on this inspiring and looking at this inspiring picture of future Ukrainian synchrotron and probably coupled of free electron laser, we are basically progressively coming to closure of our first Ukrainian synchrotron workshop. And I would like to invite for quick talk Professor Alexander Kordyuk. I guess he is still the most survival guy who stayed at plus 15-degree auditory till the end with his students. So please.
Actually, the sound is really from you is far from perfect, and we have now already it's very flickering. You probably were asking about closing remarks, so. Okay, from my point of view, it was a very successful program, and I want to thank all the participants and all the lecturers. It was very nice and very motivating, I think, for Ukrainian community to know how and something probably new how to apply about these nephews and to motivate with such nice talks. And my special thanks to Danilo because the program was organized perfectly, I think. So thank you very much.
Thank you for Sergio. Next speaker would be Luc Patet, from our stream.
I have not so much to add. I would like to thank you guys and also to thanks also Danilo for these organizations. And we are looking forward.
And now the representative of our main and base facility, Marcin, your side.
Yeah, I also very briefly, it was very nice workshop. I'm very happy it happened, that the community is growing. And I really hope that we'll be a boost and that the beamline will be ready as planned in 2 years from now, that you can measure on your own. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to everyone. I would like to say that we will definitely have next autumn a second Ukrainian synchrotron community workshop, and it will be also, I guess, connected to the SPO conference. And what I'd like to say is basically in a couple of months or in 1 month, there will be website of Ukrainian synchrotron community where you will be able to find some important information, how to join our community, how to apply for beamlines, and how to use Nephew project. And basically, we are welcoming all synchrotrons and non-synchrotron-based researchers or who have samples which are suitable for synchrotron research to collaborate. And we are really welcoming any collaboration in this domain. Thank you for your attention.
Yeah.
And have a nice evening, everyone.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.